What's good, people? musicalxhepard here, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to create a soulful Amapiano beat. And without wasting any time, let's get into the tutorial. So if you see me using a lot of loops in my videos, just know that I'm using loops so that you can save time. So I'm just gonna add more percussion on top of this loop, just so that we can make the loop a bit more unique. Let me just play around on the keyboard and try and see what I can come up with. I think I found a nice soulful progression, so I'm just gonna record. So I'm just gonna quantize the chords, not too much. I want them to have a human feel. So if you don't know how to quantize, set your, I don't know what this is called, but you select that and then you press Alt and Q, then you'll adjust accordingly. The problem with this is that if, for example, your notes are overlapping like this, then they're not gonna play. That's the problem. So I think I'm just gonna do this. Okay, let's decrease the velocity a bit. Should I use this sound? This sound is used a lot, yeah. Let me decrease the velocity of this string. Yeah, now I think I can add some melodies to the song. Latency problems. If anyone knows how to fix this latency issue, like every time when I record on the keyboard, the FL Studio moves my notes so they're not on time, so I have to adjust them every time. This works, but we need to remove the low frequencies. This plugin has really nice sounds, especially if you're doing soulful music. It's moving. Yeah, let's add a sub. 9:30 in the morning. So if you don't know how to automate sound, I'll show you. So I highlighted the section that I want to automate. Then you go to the sound that you want to automate, and then depending on what you want to automate, you can automate an effect, the volume, you can automate almost everything. So I want to automate the volume, then you decrease. So that's basically it. The string pad is gonna gradually increase in volume. Let me actually show you. As I introduce the bass, let me create a piano solo. Let me actually do it and let's hear how it sounds. Let's add some delay, not too much. I think that should be fine. Repeat that string section again. Then here we have the log drum. So I think we need a shaker. I don't think it's the right one. Let me add more percussion so that the song can have more energy. video. I think I've added enough elements. I can still add more, but then it's fine as it is, just so that we can give the vocalist some space. Yeah, thank you for watching and catch me on the next video.